Hey there, fellow advertisers. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Ads and exploring the best structure for creating effective campaigns. So, buckle up and let's get started. First off, we'll focus on two simple things: creating campaigns and adding keywords to our new ad groups. Remember, keep it easy and stick to one theme per ad group. This way, your ads will be more relevant to your audience. Next up, let's talk about ad creation. We'll be using 2 ads per ad group for now, 1 text ad and 1 responsive search ad. The responsive search ad is perfect for testing different headlines and descriptions while you refine your campaigns. Now that our ads are up and running, let's get them approved by Google. The approval process usually takes around 15 minutes, so sit tight and wait for your ads to go live. Once your ads are approved, it's time to start analyzing their performance. Take a look at how they performed in the first 15 minutes after going live. Checking this data will help you understand which keywords are driving conversions at the ad group level. It also gives you a glimpse of what your click-through rate could be after running for a while. And remember, more impressions means more data to work with. That wraps up today's guide on setting up a Google Ads campaign step by step. I hope you found it helpful and that you can put these tips to work in your own advertising efforts. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more advertising insights. Happy advertising!